Hey, so this is a good question. This user says, I've often used echo in my scripts, but I've realized that maybe printf is more reliable. Do you have an opinion? The answer is yes, I do have an opinion. When I'm running like a bash script or something, you can use echo to write something to the screen. You can also use printf to write something to the screen. The difference is echo, in my head, echo is for writing to the screen almost directly. I can do basic string concatenation and stuff like that, but I can't do any real formatting. So let me explain what I mean by that, because by contrast with printf, print format, I can give it a format specifier. So I can massage my variables before I output them to the screen. So as an example, if I were to say, a equals 5, and then I echo $A, you just get 5 to the screen. But with printf, I can do all sorts of things. I can put a %d to say that it's a number. I can do %0d to pad that number with zeros, %02d, things like that. I can put a hyphen to pad it to the left or to the right based on a number of spaces or arbitrary characters. I can do %x to format it as hex, so I can have a number like a equals 5, but then when I output to the screen, it will render it as hex. 5 is a really bad example because 5 in decimal is the same as 5 in hex, but I think you get what I'm saying. With printf, print format, I can format the variables that I have. I can massage the variables and get them to output in a very specific format. So when do I use which? Echo is when I already have the data in the format that I want to see it in. Maybe do some basic string concatenation, but that's about it. Printf is when I really want to format the data, when I want to say like, okay, here's the part that's static, here's the part that I want to change slightly, here's the part that I want to massage before it gets outputted to the screen. So printf is for when I need to format the data. Echo is when the data is already in the form that I want it in.